Hi everyone, how y'all doing? So I'm in my car. I just went and picked up a ton of seafood for a big boil and to make gajang. So I'm super excited, but I was starving. So I'm splurging because I literally I have to eat. So Cane's, I haven't had Cane's in, well really, y'all, I have this thing about Cane's. They stole their idea from a place in College Station where I went to college, A&M. That place is called Lane's, and they did only chicken tenders, the best chicken tenders, very similar sauce, but theirs is better. Their chicken tenders are better, their bread is better, but they didn't want to expand and franchise like this place. Well, a guy came in and tried Lane's and decided that they were going to market that idea and called it Cane's. And what really made me mad was they opened one up right next door to the original Lane's. So people that aren't ingrained in Aggie history don't realize that that happened. And they're just like, oh, I always loved Cane's, I'm gonna go there. I can't. If I'm in College Station, it's all about the Lanes. Y'all should check it out. It's so good. But I got the box combo, so it's just 4 tenders, fries, coleslaw. Oh my god. And toast. And then I got a large Arnold Palmer, sorry. So I'm going to take some vitamins and then I'm gonna get started. Sweet. Okay, ready for my next round. All right, so we're gonna open up our cane sauce here. Coleslaw. I don't know that I've ever had their coleslaw. Their fries need salt. I never get this combo. I usually get the 3 tender combo. So let's try the coleslaw first. Here's what it looks like. That's fine. I like my coleslaw a little bit tangier than most places make it. But I like that this isn't soupy. It's not like overly mayonnaise-y. So that's really nice. Dip this in here. Sorry, little crystal. Some fries. So like I said, I just went and picked up a whole bunch of seafood. my fishmonger in town, Groomer Seafood, shout out to them. They got a surprise shipment of blue crab today. And I tried last night to go to Tim's, my Oriental market. Because they get their shipment of crab in on Wednesday nights. Today's Thursday, by the way. And they're always gone by Thursday. So I got there at like 6:30. That's normally about when their truck arrives. I got there early. Nothing left alive. So that was a bust, but I did get my balut. But I still needed crabs for Gajang Gaejang. So they had those come in today, which was great because tomorrow is their normal shipment and I can't make it tomorrow. I have too many appointments. I tried to fit it in the schedule, but the problem is you get them and you gotta take care of them pretty immediately because you don't want them to die and sit. So I got some of those. I got a couple extra. So I'm going to do a boil for B-Love sauce that I made. I got a little lobster. Some mussels, some shrimp. Oh, and they had frozen crab pieces right now. So that's just all the ends and broken off claws and stuff from king crab, snow crab, and I think stone crab. And they had the 5-pound bags of that frozen for $50. So that's $10 a pound for, like, normally their king crab, because of where I am, is $50 a pound. And it's just because it's ugly and little pieces. So I don't get the experience of, you know, cracking it completely open. That's okay. I could do a deshelled video and that would be good. Ooh, hot. So I went to edit my videos last night. I have officially run out of all memory space on my computer and my external hard drives. So I just bought like an 8 terabyte desktop external hard drive. So that I can store my computer backups and my videos on there. So I have to find time to transfer all that information so I can edit my videos. I can't do anything right now. Dip this in. My eyes may have been bigger than my stomach on this one, y'all. Getting full. I just got so hungry that I could eat it all. Not that I should. It is so, y'all see, it's all rainy and dreary and gross out here. It's winter. Maybe 60, 70 degrees outside here, but it's still dreary. That helped. Okay. Last bite. I have one more tender left, but I'll save it for later. Maybe I'll try it in bee love sauce. Have one more bite of coleslaw. Totally empty parking lot. Someone just pulled up next to me. All right, you guys. Thanks for joining me in my car. I need to get home and cook up this seafood and get these crabs marinating. So I'm gonna get going. But y'all have a super blessed day. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, comment, share, subscribe. I'd really appreciate it. I really love spending time with y'all, and you know, let me know what you think. Let me know how you feel. What's going on with you? What's your favorite chicken place? You know, we can chat. But y'all have a really good day, and check out my Instagram. I'm gonna try to be posting there more. It's hard to remember all this stuff. What is this? Anyways, I will see you guys soon with a seafood boil probably. And I hope you have a good one. Bye.